A side hustle is anything you do in addition to your normal employment that earns you a substantial amount of money. However, you also hope that it has the ability to scale. This may even beat the rise of your 9-to-5 job's regular pay. Driving for Uber/Lyft, renting out your room on Airbnb, and other simple side jobs are all options. Fill out questionnaires or do market research online. The list might go on forever. The primary problem with these employment is that the pay is relatively predictable. There is only so much time and energy to go around. You can put money into these jobs, and the return on investment is guaranteed. Instead of dipping in and out of these odd jobs, I recommend starting an online business. When you compare the monthly revenue of an online business to a side hustle that you do consistently over 2 years, you can see how quickly a side hustle can become a valuable asset in an online startup. If you work the same number of hours and get paid the same rate, your side hustle will plateau and become a straight line over the months. In the beginning, an online business will be unprofitable. You won't see any income for the first few months as you try to get it off the ground. You will, however, reach your first profitable month after some time. In the coming month, you'll earn an extra $100. In a month's time, that figure could triple. Your monthly net profit will begin to snowball, and in 2 years, your online business, which began as a side hustle, will have outperformed your regular income. There are numerous models that can be used as a framework. Many people begin their affiliate marketing careers by creating content for websites. If your site is in a niche with high-end products, this can be lucrative because the commissions on each sale will be higher. Dropshipping allows you to start an e-commerce business on a shoestring budget. Many entrepreneurs have built successful Amazon FBA businesses that sell not only in the United States, but also around the world. You can work on the business rather than in it once you figure out how to remove yourself from the equation and create a turnkey solution. 20 hours per week becomes 16, then 10, and eventually it may be as little as 5 hours per week. Learning new skills to supplement what you already know, such as SEO or expanding your marketing knowledge, takes a lot of sweat equity. Despite the fact that the work is front-loaded, good SOPs and hiring a capable team will help to lighten the load. You'll also enjoy the satisfaction of developing a product or service that truly solves a problem. All startups are disruptive in the sense that they are attempting to provide a better solution to a specific problem for a specific audience than what is currently available. It's unquestionably difficult, and failure is a distinct possibility. However, if you can learn from your mistakes and use them to improve your services, you'll have a better chance of creating a fantastic product and systems that can deliver the solution to a large audience. As a result, you'll be the founder of a promising startup with room to expand. All of this stems from a side gig you started in your room a few years ago. Something that is a good and easy side hustle isn't as difficult to set up as Shopify, and doesn't necessitate any special technical knowledge. It does not take up a lot of your time and there is no cost to get started. One good idea is to make use of something you already do on a daily basis. First of all, ask yourself, what are your hobbies or interests? Is there something that you are good at? Do you have any unique skills? Let's pretend you're a natural at survival skills. Create a Facebook group where you can share your tips and tricks for surviving in the wilderness. You can either create your own content or go out and find some popular survival tips articles to share with your friends. As your group's content grows and engagement levels rise, Facebook will start to notice. It will begin to recommend your group to others who are interested in your niche, and your group will quickly grow organically. This is completely automated traffic, and it's completely free. The next question is, how do you make money from your organization? Affiliate marketing is a simple and no-brainer way to promote other people's products. You simply bank the sweet commission when you make a sale. You can go to ClickBank, a well-known platform where you can find a plethora of digital products to promote in any niche you can think of. If you prefer physical products, you can always become an Amazon affiliate and promote a variety of hot-selling items from their vast marketplace. You can sell advertising space in your group in addition to promoting affiliate products. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments section. And subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any future videos. Also, take a look at our other videos. I'll see you in the next one.